This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung's model and current firmware. That tells you if native YouTube is available. Once done, connect the TV to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or laptop, or plug in Ethernet for stability. Make sure you have a Google account ready for sign-in and a device capable of casting or sideloading apps. This gets you straight into action instead of troubleshooting basic connectivity later, and sets up the tools needed for the next steps. You'll look for YouTube in the Samsung Apps or Smart Hub. If it's missing, check for firmware update and install it, because updated firmware can restore app availability. If native app is unavailable, cast from your phone, open YouTube, tap the cast icon, and pick the TV. This streams without altering the TV. Alternatively, sideloading via USB or using SmartThings to push an app can work. But be careful to use versions compatible with your model. You finish by signing into YouTube on the TV or your casting device and testing playback at different resolutions to confirm performance. If you hit buffering, restart the TV and router first, then switch to Ethernet if issues persist. That often fixes packet loss or Wi-Fi interference. If the app crashes or won't install, consider a factory reset as a last resort. Backup settings first, because corrupted system data sometimes blocks apps. This troubleshooting step usually resolves stubborn software problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.